Hey y'all, remember I had this plain wall right above my nightstand that I just did not like? And I knew I didn't want any more mirrors or lights, so I asked y'all for some ideas. Well, I think I figured it out. Let's get it. Welcome back to St. Martin's Island. Today I am sharing a cozy little design update that added to the vibe of my bedroom. For the longest time I had this blank wall right above my nightstand and I just couldn't figure out what to do with it. I know that I didn't want any more mirrors or any more lights in this room. I wanted something simple with warmth, texture, and a little character. I wanted it to look intentional, not empty. So after scrolling through a few ideas and changing my mind a dozen times, it finally hit me. A simple wall shelf. So I ordered clean white vertical shelves that fit perfectly beside my bed. It comes in a package of 6, but today I am only using 4, and we're going to install them. I have my measuring tape to make sure I have equal spacing between the shelves. Alright, so right there is where the tape is, and I will add the final design piece. Alright, so that looks good. So what I have right here is my level. I'm just using it to make sure that the placement of my shelves were even. And you gotta excuse me if you see me jerking a little bit. I have my music going. So these are the shelves that I purchased. There are different ways to install them, but I decided to install mine with the lip forward. Alright, so they said use a screwdriver, but I did not have time for that. I do not have all day to be dealing with this, so I grabbed my handy dandy drill and got to work. Measure twice, drill once. Alright, so I am just making sure that they are leveled out. Because I do not want to have to go back and do this over. So everything looks good there. I'm just going to drill in the next shelf. And you know what? The installation was fairly easy. Just a few screws, a level, and a bit of patience. Alright, so I have all these put up. Now comes the surprise twist. Remember how I said I didn't want any lights? Well, I ended up adding a matte gold picture light right above the shelf. But this is just to highlight the decor, and I'll put the link down below as well. But you know what? Honestly, that one light changed everything. It gave my space warmth, a glow, and made the wall feel like an intentional design feature instead of just an afterthought. The shelf and light combo added the perfect balance of cozy and elegant. It's functional, stylish, and exactly what I feel my room needed. So, once it was up, honey, I had so much fun decorating. Alright, so I went with gold and white pieces. And just to let you know, the picture light is rechargeable, it's dimmable, it comes with a timer, and it has 3 color temperatures that I'll demonstrate towards the end of the video. So my thing is, if you got a blank wall that's been bothering you, take this as your sign to try a wall shelf. It's budget friendly, easy to customize, and give you endless ways to refresh your decor. I'll include the link below of everything I can find that's in this video. As always, thank you for spending time with me today. And if you enjoy this type of content, subscribe for cozy DIYs, outdoor adventures, and homesteading fun. Hit the bell so you don't miss a thing. See you in the next one.